In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to segment inbound leads from email marketing in Pipedrive. We're going to walk through a simple way to find people who are both subscribed to your marketing and have engaged with a specific email campaign. This is really useful if you want to follow up with warm leads, build targeted lists, or hand over only the most engaged contacts to your sales team. Let's start inside Pipedrive. From the main navigation, go to Contacts, then choose People. This is where all of your individual contacts live, and it's the best place to build filters based on their marketing activity and status. Once you're on the People page, look towards the top of the screen for the filter icon. Click that icon, then choose the option to add a new filter. Filters in Pipedrive let you narrow down your database based on very specific criteria, and we're going to combine a couple of conditions to create a powerful segment. For the first condition, we want to make sure we're only looking at people who are actually subscribed to your marketing emails. Set the condition to person, then choose marketing status, then set it to is, and finally select subscribed. This tells Pipedrive to include only contacts who have an active marketing subscription and have not opted out. It's an important step because it keeps you compliant and focused on contacts who have agreed to hear from you. Next, we'll narrow this group down even further by their behavior. Click the option to add a condition. This time, choose Campaigns, then select Last Campaign Clicked. Set it to is, and then pick the specific campaign name you're interested in from the list. This could be a recent newsletter, a product launch email, or any campaign you want to analyze. By doing this, you're filtering for people who not only received your marketing, but also showed intent by clicking on that particular campaign. Once both conditions are in place, double-check that they're correct and that they're combined with and, not or, so that both rules must be true. When you're happy with the filter, click Save. Give your filter a clear, descriptive name so you and your team can easily recognize it later. For example, something like subscribed, clicked, campaign name. After saving, your filtered list will update automatically, and you'll have a dynamic segment of inbound leads driven by that email campaign's engagement.